Hey everybody, Kay here on my homestead in Tennessee, and there's an island of trees and bushes and undergrowth that is kind of an eyesore. It hasn't been attended to in a very long time, and I've been looking at that for a year now and wondering, how could we make this more inviting and more of a neat place to go and sit in the shade in the summer, and to just get it cleaned up so it doesn't look so junky. So today Joey, who's my mower, and his assistant John, who's been helping me in the garden when he can, are here to tackle that, so stay tuned. glad to know that works. Okay, so I had this notion that it would be really cool to have a little sitting area in there, and there's a bunch of really big rocks that are sort of dumped in the middle. While he's got the tractor, it would be very smart to get those moved into some sort of shape. We could put dirt on top of that, I could put wood chips on top of that, then we could put, you know, a couple of chairs. And then he points out, if you're going to get ticks, he's the second person, by the way, local person that's told me if you're going to get ticks, it's going to be underneath the cedar tree. So the last thing I want to do is to invite people to sit under my cedar tree and to have to be worried about ticks. I may have just opened this up just so that it's, you know, cleaned up. And as we were working, we discovered 2 more dead trees, so they came down too. So all of this, all these limbs and everything are going to get chipped by a different person beginning of next week. So once again, I'm just going to point out that we got major water coming down from the cistern. This is the biggest stream here, but right beside it there's another one going up. Hi, baby. Hi, come here. Hi, let's check out Spot. His stuff looks, when the sun is out, it looks even worse. So, you're going to have to go back to the doctor, I think, sweetheart. I know. I know. But you see this little groove here, very obvious groove, is the septic line down to the field over there. We ran across the septic line about right in there last year. And then right here you have another little indentation where water is coming down. I'd like to think it was just coming off of the overflow, which is right on the under the roof right there. But I don't think the water's ever gotten up that high because it's running off over there. So I've got somebody coming hopefully on Saturday to work on that. And then we're going to go down and cut the dead pine tree, which is over at that corner, right by the driveway and the road. Look at that. Look at that trail. So most of the project is getting done, and you've just seen the pine tree go down. That was really rotten at the top, and it just smashed into a million pieces when it hit the driveway. But now we're just gonna, if you see these cedar trees, when you pull out of the driveway, this whole section blocks oncoming traffic. But now we have a storm coming tomorrow, and so it looks like I'm not going to be able to plant onions until Saturday. So we'll see how that goes. Hey, take a moment and please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for notifications so you won't miss anything right here on the homestead. All right, let's get back to it.